Let her have a touch it. She wants to touch it.
She's excited. Oh,
Give it to her.
yes.
Give it to her, Paris. It's yours. You can keep playing with it anytime you want. Let her play with it.
Share na.
She'll give it back.
She'll give it back to you.
Promise.
Wow. You want to eat it?
After putting it in her mouth.
Yeah, she just wanted
See?
to have a taste.
Is that yummy?
That's not gummy first.
Is that yummy?
Yeah, Celine thinks it's real chicken.
Silly Celine. She's looking at you. She's warming up.
Oh, it tastes good.
Especially the eyelashes. Sweet.
Finger licking good.
Sweet. Wee. Mama.
Yeah, she was saying, trying to say mama before.
It's a dun dun dun.
Your turn. Was it hot outside, Daddy? When you
I
were
think
at
that's meat chocolate.
Chocolate.
I think it's meat chocolate. Meat chocolate.
What is it now?
Meat chocolate.
Meat. Chocolate.
Meat and chocolate.
Meat and chocolate.
Ah.
I think it's yummy. See, my turn now.
Go, Mum. Go brush.
Oh yeah, let's go brush teeth
Go brush
first,
teeth quickly,
Paris.
and then we can go.
And we
Go.
can go for a walk. Come
You
on.
get a baby
I
tuna.
didn't have a turn.
Quick. No, just go. Me and Celine will play with it, and then you come back and get it.
Oh,
Go on, Paris.
Go
Paris,
brush teeth.
you gotta hold your toothbrush anyways. Good job. Good job. You're gonna use your new toothbrush. Hey, you say good morning first. Go here this way. Good morning. Welcome back.
to our channel.
So first day guys, today is Sunday. First day na nandito ang kanyang lola. Very excited. Uy! Ayan. Nakablis lang kami kasi where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Oh, shop.
We'll go to the shop. Come on, let's go brush our teeth first. Okay, go here. Oh, not there. Your toothbrush is in the other bathroom. Ding ding.
Well, I don't know what this one does.
No, it's just a sticker, honey.
I didn't want it to press
Come on, brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it properly.
Hello.
Good job. Up, down, up, down. Good girl. You have a really good set of teeth, my love. You have to look after it, yeah? More. Mama, be. Hey, Mama will finish it off. Nakabihis na si mami nyo kasi maglalakad kami papunta ng shops. Dapat sana si Daddy Mike lang tsaka si mama-in-law ko. But sama na lang kami ni Baby Celine. At ayan ang ating pa-outfit today. So very colorful tayo. Ating pants. Ayan. At ang aking bag. Hello, Daddy.
Hello. Did you, Paris? Tell Paris not to forget her money.
How much is your money?
I reckon put the 50 cents in your money jar.
No, that's $2 money jar, Daddy. I only put $2 in that one.
I'm only putting everything in it.
No.
I failed.
Here. Are you gonna take the 50 cents?
No, you don't need to.
Just spray it, just in case. Okay, Lini. Are you going out?
No, I'm here for the band-aid on.
Where?
Hermione couldn't fail in Hermione.
Okay, which one? Where? I can't see it.
No,
Ang
it's
sarap ng
just
buhok
so
mo.
red.
Okay.
But it's not right.
Okay.
So that's why I made a band-aid.
Are you still wearing mask in Melbourne, Mom?
Yeah, you don't have to. but I do,
Okay.
especially at work because the numbers are still really high.
Yeah, okay.
Can we go?
Yes, my love, we can. I think it's the other way around.
A few moments later.
Tapos na. Ang ganda ng araw. Yan ang mama na Mike. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-vlog guys. Nakaharap siya. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nandun na oh. She's showing Lola the way. Free will Paris ah.
I don't think eating chocolate.
What's your food, Mum? Didn't you order one?
It should be cut.
There's this drink. What's wrong, Selene? You want more food? Hey, hey. Oh, here.
Where's my sprinkles?
There you go. Oh, yes. There. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this here? Oh, thank you.
Right, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Benny. Oh, don't put the whole thing in the mouth straight away, sweetie girl. Yeah. Yummy? Yeah, she loves the food. After that, she's gonna cry again. She wants more.
Yeah, I was watching Celine eyeing off Paris's skirt.
Why is it just you eating? Yes? She's staring at her Lola Karen.
Oh, Paris, you smashed that. You smashed it.
Good job.
Yummy?
Ice chocolate.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try it.
Yummy? Yum, yum. What more? What more? Hi. What are you doing? Are you pushing? Are you pushing? Kakagising lang niya from her nap, guys. Kanina pa nakapasok yung tatay niya, tsaka si Paris, tsaka si Lola Karen sa taas. Nagpaiwan kami dito sa baba kasi nakatulog siya. Ayaw ko siyang gisingin kasi iiyak na naman to siya kapag hindi niya nakuha yung kanyang eksaktong tulog. Nakno? Ha? Ha? Are you happy now? Ha? Are you happy now? Ikaw, bulingit ka ba? Bulingit ka ba? Sisingipin. Sobrang init guys, grabe. Ang sakit sa ulo. I'm very sleepy habang hinihintay ko to siya. Ako ay, sleepy din. Aga kasi nitong nagising kanina guys. 5 o'clock gising na to siya. Is mommy gising na rin. Yeah? Mommy is very sleepy na, you know? Hindi ko na ipapagkita ang aking mukha kasi kagardo versosa kasi mommy ni mo na. But as long as you're happy, mommy is okay. I can do it. I think you did a poo-poo. Did you do a poo-poo? Ay, mama. Can you say, mama? Mama. Ma? Ma. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Ang ilok, B. Ang ilok, B. Mama, mama, mama. You okay? Ah, daga na kay kag-arte na. Daga na kay kag-arte. Ang bulingit. Ash lang hapa man. Oh no, it's not sweet. May mama try, babe? Yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh gosh! Ang ating Ate Paris guys, nandun sa kanyang lola sa kwarto. Magnanap daw sila. Best friend na. Best friend talaga sila, twins. Oh, whoa. Who's having strawberries? Si Lini? Daddy Mike's watching UFC. Di. Adi. Yum. I told you. Yummy? What is wrong? It's the other way around, my love. The other way around. Naka-pupo pala itong ating ate eh. Okay, daddy ka. Alam nyo guys, hindi talaga yan sa tutulog pag lunchtime. Pero kasi nandito ang kanyang lola, matutulog daw sila.
A few moments later.
It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon, people. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Selene!
Clean shave.
Ayan. Huh? Daddy is clean shaved. Ayan. And, tingnan niyo ang mata, oh. Very sleepy yan siya, guys. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata. Kasi hindi natulog. But, nakabihis, nagligo yan siya kasama yung daddy niya. Pero yung pinasuot ng kanyang daddy ay the same na dress. Ay, iwan ko na lang sa iyo, daddy. Ito sana yung papasuot ko. We're going out, guys. Where are we gonna go? Paris? Where? No, who said you're going to ice cream shop? Taka naman ko eh. Selene, where are you going?
Yeah.
Ice cream shop.
I'm gonna go have dinner. Dinner, Bob? Outside? We're gonna go for a walk to the shops. And this is the long walk, guys. Like, seriously, long walk. Hintay lang namin ang lola nila kasi nagre-ready pa.
Papa, Bobby.
Ito ay sleepy na rin, oh. Lagay yan sa pram. Tulog na yan siya. Oh! Uy! Kanya, very naughty na yun siya, guys. Uy, okay. Sobrang ano na. Messy here. Messy. Have a look at them houses, guys. Sabi pa ni Daddy Mike, it looks like doll's houses. Diba? Cute. Sobrang ganda.
Modern Queensland.
Tingnan niyo ang aming kahimtangan. Si Daddy Mike sa kabila, ako dito. Push. Ang ating baby silin ay tulog na. Yan. So may araw pa. Kaya it's perfect time maglakad-lakad. Hindi maginaw, hindi mainit. Perfecto.
Okay, finish.
Finish? Nandito na kami sa Bulimba, guys. Park. Ayan. Daddy Mike and Mom Karen. went to grab some food. Tapos nadalhin nila balik dito sa park. Dito kami kakain kasi ang ating baby girl ay ayaw talagang gusto na niyang maglaro. Celine is sleeping. So ayun. Naglakad sila papunta doon guys kasi nandun ang restaurant. Tapos dalhin nila dito yung food and we'll just sit somewhere there. Diba? Oh, sobrang nice. Of course. Oh, I don't know if you can reach it now. It's a bit high.
Mom, can you help me just carry?
Okay. Okay.
That's okay, but
Well done.
no, we have to swing.
Oh, you have to swing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, finish.
Okay. Oh.
I got so scared.
So scared. Hold on. You wanna come down? Hang on, wait a minute. Mama's dead. Oh. Whoa. Tara? Madilim na sa park. Laro pa more.
This one.
Sobrang ganda ng panahon ba? Hindi maginaw.
Mom can slide.
Oh!
No.
Habiyag po, para biyag.
Hi.
Woo!
I'm done.
Oh! Katulog ko naman siya, klaro eh. Lini! Kaya gising lang.
I'll give it a try. If she doesn't need anything now, I'll give her something when we get home.
Oh, yummy. Where's my head?
She's just in a mood. She's in
Yum.
a funky mood.
The park is so dark.
It is.
Fried rice, tadi?
And lab
What's that?
and soup.
Oh, okay. Yum. Honey girl. Mommy's just gonna eat. Lini. Yummy? Yes or no? You like it? Yes, my love. Because it's ice cream. That's what you like. Okay, it's your lucky day, Celine. Wala na dalos.
Good.
Careful that
You
fires.
need to eat it around here because it's melting.